All right, well, we have 2 yards here to do. We have a previous client that was gone for an extended period of time, and what was mulched here kind of grew back up. We got a lot of weeds and things like that, so we're just going to hit that because yeah, it's the proper thing to do. And then we got the neighbor's lot here. We're going to take down some small pines that we've marked, and I think the largest pine here looks to be about 10 inches at the base. It might be at 12, but either way we're going to take them down, mulch them up. So get a look at this before product here. It's just this small patch, but it's pretty dense. We're going to be taking out a lot of stuff. It's going to look really good with all this pine mulch. That pine mulch is nice and yellow, whitish and yellowish. Looks really nice. Lots of poison ivy back here. No bueno. Okay. So we're gonna get it going. We got the teeth all sharpened. We're filled up. We're greased up. Good visibility. Cleaned up the front glass, or the front plexi, and we're gonna get to it. The biggest issue I see on this job is just hitting patches of dirt, and that'll dull the blades out extremely fast. So we'll just take our time and go. How are you doing, sir? Just gonna go off the property line and get everything cleaned up here. Alright, let's go look at this these yards after product. I was driving away and I forgot I have to do after videos. I like to just sometimes forget that. Alright, so it was a refresh on 1 yard. The gentleman was gone for a while, came back and it's a little overgrown, and I was doing the neighbors, so knocked that out real quick. That didn't take any time. But this is the lot right here. Took down some trees. It's all pines and mimosas back here. Pines and mimosas, baby. But we got it looking all right, you know. You can roll around in this stuff all you want, you know. You can roll around in the mulch. You can dig in the mulch. You can do just about anything in the mulch. Oh yeah, we got sunlight coming through. Not as much canopy with some of those trees gone, but it's nice. But yeah, oh, let me do this. Okay, here we go. You ready, guys? You ready? Oh yeah, look at that mulch. It's that good stuff. So this saves money. We're not having to remove trees or bring in additional equipment to remove the trees. Nope, the trees that we took down, they are right on the ground where you see everything is mulched up. All that nitrogen, all of those good stuff, chemicals and all that, yeah, they're in the ground. They're gonna stay there, and it'll provide good nourishment for the plants to come. It's also gonna give good warmth to the bases of the trees during the winter time, you know. Mulch is your friend. But yep, just wanted to give a good look at that. I had to clean up, of course, whenever you do these mulch jobs, your leaf blower is your best friend, you know, because I was spraying mulch chips all over the place. And you know, you can directionalize, but sometimes you have to hit certain angles, and yeah. Yep. I tell you what, now it's just all about maintenance. At this point, it's all about keeping it up. And the best thing I can say is a powerful mower, like a 0-turn mower, something with like at least 25 horsepower, 24 horsepower, you know, around that mark. And have some good mulching blades, and start off at like 4 inches, you know, something high, and then work your way work your way down all the way to 1 inch if you want to, you know. But yeah, that's a good look at what we did here. I like to showcase the lots that I do, so that way, you know, potential clients and things like that can get a good idea of what I do, see what my before and after product is, and you know, yeah, that's my rig right there. That's just one of my machines, and it's just 3 of my attachments. Yeah, it's just a little setup here. The main key is a Forestry Mulcher, and there's the bucket and grapple. Usually don't have to use those unless I'm doing dirt work or grubbing out, but I like to bring them just in case. Usually I bring my landscape rake with me too, but I gotta repair that. It's a little broken. I like to have a full ship, you know. I don't like arriving with half ship. I like that full ship kind of stuff. There we go. Good to go. We're all checking spacing here. Friendly airbags, you can't beat that. Okay.